Who the hell make this sound? Uh, hey Jersey, when wanna go to Slushy Animates video? I'm sure. There's nothing in here in OBS. I should go to other universe. Guys, what is this? Starry and Jersey, look out! Is she okay? No, he's a he. Why does everyone call me Skibidi Toilet? I don't have a head in my toilet. What the hell? So what is this dimension? I'm gonna make a object show today, and also, so you have to you have to compete to my show to the for the price of getting everything you want and getting to be animated. I made it, and also who's making that sound? I know, form your teams. I made a body for controller. Thank you guys. So what is it? Brick wall. Recover Star and Jersey. What's happening to the sound? Why is this happening? I don't know, but now go to your teams and before I kick your ass. Yeah, you should go to your teams. So, any questions? What? Who's making this sound? I don't know. Ooh. Okay, then find it. The next challenge you have to find what's making this sound. Guys, I have an idea. Guys, don't kick me, please. I found it. Destroy it. Vote for other of these newbies. So I'm gonna do this one again. Wendell, who started this? What the fuck? What the? Hey, Towel, want to go to a taco? Sure, we'll use some space for our blah, 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 blah.